Knowing how to import multiple data frames and how to share information using indexes, we can now combine data frames. As a first step, let's stack series on top of one another by appending and concatenating. Again, the index is a big part of these operations. The principal tools are the append methods and the function pandas.concat. The basic syntax of the append method is, for example, s1.append s2. The rows of S2 then are stacked underneath those of S1. This method works with both data frames and series. We'll see examples of both later. By contrast, the function concat accepts a list or sequence of several series or data frames to concatenate. While the append methods can only stack vertically or row-wise, the function concat is more flexible. It can concatenate vertically and horizontally. When stacking multiple series, concat is in fact equivalent to chaining method calls using append. Let's see some actual examples. Here are 4 pandas series: Northeast, South, Midwest, and West, containing state abbreviations from 4 regions of the United States. By default, all 4 series are indexed by integers starting at 0. We invoke northeast.append south and name the series East. The first 9 rows of East are the rows from the series Northeast. The subsequent rows are the entries from the series South. Notice the append method stacks rows without adjusting the index values. As a result, when we examine the index of the series East, it has index labels from the original 2 series in order. Thus, using the .loc accessor with argument 3 returns 2 rows, one originally from Northeast, the other from South. Having unique indices is important in most situations. We can create a series newEast with the method resetIndex. The option drop equals true discards the old index with repeated entries rather than keeping it as a column in a data frame. The new index is of type rangeIndex with entries 0 through 25. The function concat can equivalently construct the series East. In this case, the required input is a list of series or data frames. The resulting index, as before, contains repeated values. Concat can also reconstruct the series newEast as before. Using the option ignore index spares us having to invoke resetIndex explicitly. The resulting series has no repeated indices as before. Try some exercises now to get some practice using append and concat with pandas series.